My name is Adithi. Today I'm going to tell you a story about Foxy Joxy plays a trick. Watermelons for sale! Watermelons for sale! Foxy Joxy was a sly fox. He sold big, fresh watermelons. "You're asking too much," said Gia Giraffe. "Your price is too high," said the rabbit Jabbit. Foxy Joxy had a clever idea. He slit open a big watermelon, scooped out the fruit, and gobbled it up. Then he filled it with water. He took a needle and thread and sewed the watermelon back together. He sold his watermelons for a cheap price. Many animals bought from Foxy Joxy. "This watermelon has only water in it," complained Punky Monkey. "Well, you got what you paid for," said Foxy Joxy. "We need to teach Foxy Joxy a lesson," said Ellie Elephant. The animals gathered around and came up with a plan. "I have an idea," said the Oliver Owl. They took an empty watermelon, stuffed Foxy Joxy into it, and played a game of football with it. Foxy Joxy was dizzy. He learned his lesson and never cheated again. Thank you, friends. Hope you like the story. Please share, like, and subscribe if you like my channel.